How to buy stock warrants with TD Ameritrade. Ladies and gentlemen, with this video, I'm going to show you what are stock warrants and how to purchase them with TD Ameritrade. But first, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, hit that like, comment, and share button. My name is Prince Dykes, and this is the Investor Show. And as always, it's time to tune in for another great video. I don't have a lot of time. I definitely know you guys and girls don't have a lot of time. So let's jump straight into it. So first, let's start with what are stock warrants. If you understand what stock options are, you can pretty much understand what stock warrants are. If you don't know what either one of those are, I'll tell you briefly what they are. A stock warrant is pretty much something that is issued by the company as a way to raise money. For prime example, Southwest Airlines just did this with the government. Southwest Airlines said, hey, government, if you let us borrow X amount of money, we will give you, you can buy our stock for a particular price. You can buy this many stocks for a particular price all the way into this time in the future. Let's break that down even further. So let's say from Southwest Airlines, this is just for example purpose only. Let's say if I say, hey, I need to raise money from the public. So guess what I say? My stock only costs us $20 right now. I will say, hey, if you give me $100, I would allow you to buy my stock for $25 for the next 5 years. So anytime within the next 5 years, you can buy my stock for $25, right? That's what a stock warrant is. That's a way, so now you pay me money to be able to buy my stock for a higher price in the future for how many years, right? So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that with TD Ameritrade. So now it's probably a million ways you can do it, and there's probably a whole lot better ways you can do this. But I don't like the way it's kind of set up on TD Ameritrade. But we're just going to go through it the way that I know how. So here up at the top, you're going to type in the word warrants in the search box. Now when you type in warrant, right below here where you see it says more quote results for warrants, click on that. Once you click on this, you can scroll down, you can see a couple potential warrants, right? So we're going to scroll down here, the one that has a little price on it. We're going to click on this one. I don't even know what this company is, but it's called Verify Me Incorporated. So right here, this is the expiration date. This particular warrant goes all the way into 6/17/2025. And if I buy it, it costs $1.25. Now, this telling me if I buy it, I have the right to be able to buy this stock for a particular price into the future. Now, this is the thing. The question is, what is the price of the stock now, and how much? What is the exercise price of it? That's the big question. This is what I don't like about the platform. So, TD Ameritrade, if you're listening, please fix this. Doesn't make any sense. Now, one thing you can do, you can call TD Ameritrade, give them particular stock, give them the symbol that you have here, and it will tell you the exercise price. They'll tell you all the details. But I'm going to show you a little way you can do it if you do a little research on your own, in case you don't want to sit on the phone for 30, 40 minutes trying to get TD Ameritrade online. This is another way I know how to do it. That's right. It's a website called Google. But anyway, right here I can Google the price of the stock, and I see the stock is trading now for $3.91. Now, what another thing you can do is Google Verify Me warrants. I will put in Verify Me, because that's the name of the company. Verify Me stock warrants exercise price. You can Google that. Or you do a little research, or you can go to sec.gov and look at their most recent filings. Look at their 8K report. That's what I did, and you'll come up with this. Boom. I found a report they put out on June 17th. What's that? A couple last week or something like that. So right here, I can tell. You can read right here and tell you the exercise price of $4.60. So they're pretty much saying right now, you pay $1.29. If I buy it right now, it gives me the right to buy this particular company's stock for $4.60 all the way into the expiration date. And the expiration date was like June 17, 2025 or something like that it was. So right now I can buy that. Now here's the trick. The exercise price. If you decide to exercise, let's say next year this stock runs up to $20. I have the right to be able to buy for $4.60. But if I go to exercise, it's a about a $40 charge that TD Ameritrade currently charges. So right now I can go in and for $1.29 I can buy. It gives me the right to be able to, for every warrant that I buy, one warrant is one stock. So I can pay $1.29 right now for the ability to buy verified me stock for $4.60 all the way into the future. So I don't have to exercise, but let's say 5 years from now or 2 years from now, this stock is $20. I can exercise and buy the stock for $4.60 to be able to Now, companies do this in order to raise money for the companies. Now, how this is different from option trading, options, that's a secondary market. McDonald's doesn't make money from people buying and selling call options. That's just a whole other secondary market. Right now, a company says, hey, look, I can give you the right to be like Southwest Airline. They told the government you can buy 2.6 million shares of our company within the next 5 years for like $36 and some change or something like that, right? Same thing Delta did. They issued warrants to the government in order to get bailed out. So what companies can do, they do the same thing as a way to raise money. They issue warrants. Now, the tricky thing about warrants expiration dates can change. They have all type of powerful ways they can just change things. They can change whatever. So that's another tricky part about them too. That's not as cool. But this is another way you can do it. Now, you can go back to the Ameritrade and I hit the buy button. If I buy this for $1.25, I can buy verified me stock for $4.60 all the way until June 17th of 2025. Now, the stock is currently $3 and some change. If it goes down to $1, if it turns into Hertz, no bueno for me. But if it turns into Amazon, congratulations, right? But anyway, that's pretty much how you can buy a stock warrant on TD Ameritrade. I would like for TD Ameritrade right here on the platform. You should be able to have the exercise price populated. You should be able to tell people the exercise price, when is it good for, all the other great stuff should be right here. I shouldn't have to go through all these other reports and try to figure out what's the exercise price, what's the, all this other good stuff like that. It should be built in, don't you think? Just like everything else. But that's just me. And y'all drop some comments below. Let me know what y'all think about this. But that's what a stock warrant is. And that's how you can purchase one with TD Ameritrade. My name is Prince Dykes. This is the Investor Show. And until the next video, podcast, cartoon, or whatever else crazy you see me do around the globe, peace, be safe, I'm out, and thank you.